So today's number, grandest number 25. We'll see first clerk proper. A shopkeeper buys some apples at 60 rupees each. So each one cost price is what? 60 rupees. And sells at 20% profit now. They're asking selling price of one apple. So on 60 rupees, 20% is nothing but 12 rupees. 12 plus 60, your answer is 72. Cost price is 60. Profit is 20%. 20% on 60, 12. That is what? Therefore, selling price of each is 72. The perimeter of the rectangle is 122 centimeters and the area of the circle is 154. The radius of the circle is same as that of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle. So, what is the length of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle is 122 na. Perimeter is nothing but 2 times of L plus B na. 2 times of L plus B is 122. Then 1 time of L plus B is how much? 61. Circle. Circle area is 154 na. Circle area is nothing but 22 by 7 into R square na. That is equal 154. Clear? 22 7s are na. R square is equal 7 square. R is equal to 7. Now the radius of the circle is same as the breadth of the rectangle. Now breadth. See here. Shop A, shop B, Friday, Saturday. Next one it is what? Sunday. Shop A, shop B. If it is required total, we go for what? Total. Shop A, shop B. If it required, we go for total. Now tell me. So tell me the values 0 to 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Each one is 2. First one it is what? 44. B, 50. Saturday. 24. B, 30. 30. 36. Sunday. Sunday is what? 40B. 40. 48. Now, see the first question. What is the difference between the total number of diaries sold by shop A on Saturday and Sunday together? Shop A, Saturday, Sunday together is 64 now. That's 64. And the number of diaries sold by shop B on Sunday. Shop B on Sunday is what? 48. 64, 48. Difference is what? Next question. On Saturday, the total number of diaries available in shop B to be sold was how much? 80. Saturday. On Saturday, the total diaries available in shop B to be sold was 80. Out of the total number of diaries available in shop B on Saturday, what percentage were? Only B. Only B is nothing but how much? 36 na. So on Saturday, the total number of diaries available in shop B to be sold was 80. Okay. Out of the number of diaries available in shop B, Saturday, what percentage sold? Total 80 available. Sold is what? 36 only now. 50% is 40. 5% is 4. If you subtract 2, so 4 from 40, that is 36 only. And exactly how much percentage? 45%. Next one. Number of diaries sold by shop B on Saturday. Shop B on Saturday, 36 na? Is what percent more than the shop A on same day? Shop A on same day is what? 24. How much more? 12 is how much percentage? 12 is how much percentage on 24? 50%. 1 by 2. The total number of diaries sold by both the shops together on Friday. So together on Friday. Friday is how much? 1 or 2 na? 1 or 2? 2. What percent of the total number of diaries sold by both the shops together on Saturday? Saturday is 60 na? Yes or not? So 1 or 2 is what percentage of 60? So forget about zeros. 6 1s are 6 7s are na? And exactly how much percentage? 170%. 100% is 60. 70% is 42. 42 plus 60 102. Are you clear, Nana? Now simplifications. 0.25 into 5, 2.5 plus 1.5 na? 1.5 plus 2.5, how much na? 4. 2.25 kada? That is not 2.5, that is 1.25. 1.25 plus 1.5, 2.75. 2.75 plus 4, 6. If you subtract 6.75 from 7, 0.25. Are you ready? Next one. RHS in terms of 2 power na? This one also converted into 2 to the power of 4. 4 square we can write as 2 to the power of 4. Yes or not? Into x to the power of 4 is equal to what? 2 to the power of 8 na? So 2 power 4, 2 power 4 get cancelled. Remaining is 4. X to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but in place of x. In place of x, your answer is 2. Are you ready? Next one. 13 how many times? 5 how many times? 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7? 6 by. 13 how many times? 17 how many times? 3 by 3? 1 plus 2 by 3? 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. Next one. Are you ready? 18 and half. If you cut from 21, remainder will be 2 and half na? Remaining will be 2 and half. Are you clear na? Now, so 4x by 9 into 1 by 320 is equal to how much? 2.4 how many times? 80 times. So 980 times 720. 720 into 2 and half na? 722 times 1440. 720 halves are 360. 360 plus 1440, 1800. Are you clear? Next one. Are you ready? Now look at here. 7 and half plus 5 na? How much? 12 and half. 7 and half plus 7 and half into 2. If you subtract 12 and half from 15, your answer is 2 and half. Are you clear? 15 9s are 135 plus 9. 144 is 12 na? 12 plus 54. Your answer is 66. 28 7s are na? Don't multiply. 28 we can write as 7 into 4 na? Already 7 is there na? 7 comes outside na? 4 comes outside. 2 into 10. Together is 140. That 10 only na? మధ్యలో ఏమైనా వాల్యూ ఉంది అంటే 28 into 7 ప్లస్ 10 అది ఇక్కడ పర్లేదా? 59 ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ పర్లేదు నాన్న. అండ్ దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? దిస్ ఈజ్ 10. హౌ మచ్ అన్నా? 20. 12 హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్? 24. 2 టైమ్స్. 45 ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏదో ఇచ్చేయింది. 45% ఆఫ్ 250 తర్వాత ఏం రావాలి? డివైడెడ్ బై 5 నా? ఇఫ్ యూ మిస్ వన్ సింబల్ ఆల్సో ఆన్సర్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. నాన్న 45% ఆఫ్ 250 నా? 50% ఆఫ్ 250 ఈజ్ 125. 125% is nothing but 12.5. Together is 112.5 na? 112.5 into 1 by 5 minus 4x is equal to 14.5. 5 how many times na? 5 22.5 times na? Yes or not? 4x is equal to 22 and half minus 14 and half. 8 na? 4x is equal to 8 na? X is equal to 2. Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? Question number 61 na? Now, RHS they given 2 power something na? The remaining all values you have to convert them into 2 power something. So 2 power 6 na, 4 cube is nothing but 2 power 6 na. Are you clear? Divided by 6 power 4 I am going to write as 6 I am going to write as 2 into 3. 2 into 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4. 18 I am going to write as 3 into or 9 into 2. 9 into 9 square into 2 square. 2 square, 9 square. 9 square we can write as 3 to the power of 4 na. That is equal to 2 to the power of x na. 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 get cancelled na. 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 get cancelled. 2 to the power of 2 na. So 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 4 na. Therefore x is equal to 4. Are you clear nana? RHS side 2 power something. The remaining values you have to convert them into 2 power something. Then only it is possible. That is the keyword for us. Next one. Are you ready? 1 by 2 we can write as 3 by 2 na. LCM is 12 na. 2 6 as 3 6 as 18 na. 4 3 as 3 3 as 9 na. 3 4 as 4 1 as 4 na. Is equal to x by 12 get cancelled na. 18 plus 9 27. 27 plus 4. Your answer is 31. 18 plus 14. 30. 32 into 2. 64. 64 how many times 16? 4x is equal to 512 na? Yes or not? 512 half 256. 256 half. Your answer is 128. Are you ready? Now, see here, you see the unit digits, last two digits, 0.75, 0.35, 110. That is nothing but, if you subtract 110, 56 from 110, 54. Our answer is ended with 54 na. How many options are there? 2 options are there, no problem. Now, so 22 plus 96, ledante 23 na, this is, cut 22, remainder is, minus 1, that is nothing but 95. 95 plus 48, 140. 140. Are you clear, Nana? If only one option is there, but here 2 options are there. That is the reason how to solve. Next one. 121 is what? 289 is 70 into 17 ones are 17, 17 nines are 19 11s are 209. 209 plus 11. 19 11s are 209. 19 10s are 190. 190 plus 19 209 plus 11. Are you clear, Nana? The value of a property depreciates every year by 10%. The property was purchased 2 years ago at 55 lakhs. What will the value at present? No problem. I am going to take 5,500. I will add some more zeros later. 10% depreciation na, 550 na. If you subtract 550, appreciation na. Okay, no problem. Appreciation, no problem, no problem, no problem. Appreciation na, 10% is nothing but 550 na. Together is 6050 na. Again 10% na, 605 na. If you add 605, that is 6655 na. Start with the 6655. Which option is there? Only one option. That is your answer. కొంతమంది అన్ని జీరోస్ తీసుకుంటారు. ఏం ప్రయోజనం సార్? మీరు రెండే ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నారు సార్ అంటే 2 years కాబట్టి 2 zeros క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి 2 zeros తీసుకున్నాను. 3 years అంటే 3 zeros తీసుకునేవాడిని. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ క్లియర్ నానా? ఒకవేళ మీకు అన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ 6655తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతే అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు సార్? హౌ మెనీ జీరోస్ ఆర్ మిస్సింగ్? No. How many zeros I am missing? Now after getting answer, keep 3 zeros. Are you clear, Nana? Read the following data. Okay. Speed of the boat in upstream is what? 16. And upstream is nothing but B minus C na. B minus C is what? 16. Speed of the stream is C na. C is equal to what? Then B is equal to 20. B is equal to, then B plus C is equal to, మాట్లాడాలన్నా 20. No, B minus C is equal 16, Nana. If C is 4, B is equal 20 only, na? B plus C is 24 only, na? Yes. Now they given the question, first question. How much time will the boat to travel 40 kilometers upstream? Nana, upstream speed is what? 16, na? Upstream is nothing but B minus C only, na? 16, how many times? 2.5 hours, na? 16 2 is 32. Remainder is 8. 8 by 16, how? 2.5 hours. Are you ready? That if the time taken to travel x kilometers downstream was 1 hour 15 minutes, what was the value of x? If the time taken by travel x kilometers, na downstream na, downstream speed is 24 na, 1 hour 15 minutes is nothing but 5 by 4 na. Clear? 1 hour 15 minutes is nothing but 1 by 4 na. 1 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4 na. 4 6 are 6 5 are 30. Your answer is 30. Are you clear? Next one. What is the speed of the boat in still water? Speed of the boat in still water we already find out now. Your answer is 20. Now, X and Y started a business together, investing 7,000, 9,000 respectively. At the end of 6 months from the start of the business, Z joined with an investment of 8,000 and X left. If the total profit was 66,000, 8. Together is 33. 33 parts is nothing but 66,000 na. Therefore, each part is 2,000 na. Each part is, they're asking Z na. Z is 8 parts na. 8 parts is nothing but 16,000. Your answer is 16,000. Shall I go for the next question? Z joined after 6 months. After 6 months, X left. B is there for 12 months. Shall I go for the next question? They given DI 1, 2, 3 in 4 years, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay, no problem. The number of students who did not go for the picnic from class 1 in 2017 was 27. The given data is who went for the picnic. Who went for the picnic? 2017 class 1 na? 2017 class 1. How many went? 96 went. 96 went to, how many are not went? Then together is how much? 123. 96 went to, and who did not went it is, then how many are available? 123. Next one. The total number of students who went for the picnic from class 2 and 3 together in 2016. So 2 and 3 2016, how much? 120. Was what person more than the number of students who went for the picnic class 1 in 2016? So difference is how much, Anna? Compared with 80, difference is how much? 40 is how much percentage on 80? 50 percentage. After then, which person is coming, that person you have to keep in the denominator. Whenever they are asking more or less, you have to take the difference. That difference you have to keep in the numerator. Ganga invested 5,000 in scheme. X offering simple interest X% per annum for 3 years. If the interest earned from the scheme is 1,800. Nana, how many years interest, Nana? 3 years 1,800 na. Each year interest is same na. 1 year interest is 600 na. 600 na. That 600 is how much percentage of? 5,000. Nana, 50 how many times? 12 times. Your rate of interest is 12%. Interest on principal is nothing but rate of interest. 3 years interest is 1,800. In simple interest, every year interest is same. 1 year interest is 600. 1% is 50, 12% is 600. Are you clear? Next one. Rice worth 56 rupees per kg is mixed with another variety of rice in the respective ratio of 3:2. If the mixture worth is 64, what is the price of the second variety of rice? First variety is 56 rupees na. Second variety we don't know na. But mixture price is 64 na. But quantity ratio is what? Quantity ratio is what? 3:2 na. 56 to 80, 64 difference is? Difference is 2 parts is 8 na. Each part is 4 na. 3 parts is? 3 parts is. Now this value should be more than 64 na. 64 plus 12. Your answer is second variety rice is 76. Mixtures by using mixtures method. If you go for X method, that will be a circus. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? 5 years hence, the ratio of A, B, 7:5 and B to C is 10:9. 10 years ago, if the sum of A and C was 62 years, what is the B's percentage? Now, look at here. A to B age is what? I am multiplying with 2. Then it becomes 14:2. Then B to C, sir, 10:9 na? Sir, why you are multiplying with 2, sir? 10 equal. B is common person na? That is the reason. Very good. A is how many person na? 14. B is how many person na? C is how many person na? Very good. This is 5 years hence na? All of you clear na? Very good. 10 years ago, na? 10 years ago, if the sum of A and C was 62, A and C entered only 2 persons na? 10 years ago to 10 years ago to 5 years hence na? Total 15 years gap na? Total 15 years na? 1 person is 15 years na? 2 persons na? 30 years na? Now you need to add 30 and together is 92. For whom? A and C. A and C total is 23 na? 23 parts is nothing but 92 na? Each part is 4 na? They are asking B na? 10 into 4 na? But your answer is not 40. Your answer is not 40. They are asking percentage. These are 10 years, these are what? 5 years hence na? 5 years hence is 40. Then present is? Your answer valaku untadi. Are you clear nana? Are you ready? Shall I go for the next question? The profit earned when an article is sold for 42% is 110.40. So more than that, when the same article is sold for 18%, what would be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 25% profit? Okay, no problem. Nana, if it is sold at 42% and in the second case 18% profit, difference is how much, Nana? 110.40. Nana, 42% 18%, difference is 24% na? Due to that 24% only you are getting 110.4. Yes or not? Very good. Now they are asking selling price at 25% profit. Nana, 25% profit is nothing but 125% na? How many times it goes? That many times it goes. Sarkar jastara? It goes exactly 24 4s are 96. Exactly 24.6 times. 24.6 times 14.4. 96 plus 14.4, 110.4. Exactly 4.6. 4.6 into 125. 575. Your answer is 575. Nana, 125 into 4, 500, Nana. 125 into 0.6, 75. Nana, 0.6 and 3 by 5 kada Nana. 3 by 5 of 125. 525 times 325 times 75. 575. 0.6 అంటే 3 by 5 కదా. 3 by 5th of 125. 525 times 3, 25 times 75. 125 4 times 500. 500 plus 75, 575. జాగ్రత్త రాసుకున్నానా. So we need calculation power nana. So without calculation power it's not possible. Okay na. You need to improve, you need to concentrate on calculation. Sir, I know all the answers, sir, but time they're not giving, sir. Yes, they don't give extra time. Within the stipulated time, we need to attempt. All of you clear, Nana? Are you ready? Of the three numbers, the average of the first and second number is greater than the average of the second and third number by 49. First and second one, na? First and second one is nothing but a plus b by 2, na? More than second and third, na? B plus c by 2, na? This difference is how much? This difference is how much? 40, 49. A and B difference is more than B and C difference by 49. Are you clear? Now, Nana, if you go for calculation, B get cancelled, na? B get cancelled, na? Then A minus C by 2 is equal to 49, na? Then A minus C is equal to 98, na? Are you clear? Very good. Now they given the first number and third number ratio. And the first number is 9 parts, na? Third number is 2 parts na. Difference is 7 parts na. 7 parts is 98 na. Each part is 14 na. They are asking first number na. First number is 9 na. 9 14 times. Are you ready? So be active in the class. Okay, Nana? Then only it is possible. మీరు కళ్ళు మూసారంటే ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయింది. తర్వాత ఏం చెప్పారో అర్థం కాదు. నిద్ర వస్తుంది, నాకు కూడా తెలుసు ఆ విషయం, నాకు కూడా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి అందుకని బీ యాక్టివ్. ఓకేనా? అదే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్? అన్నా ఐ గో త్రూ ఆప్షన్స్ అన్నా. ఐ గో త్రూ వాట్ ఆప్షన్స్. ఒకసారి కింద మీ జాగ్రత్తగా చూస్తే 44 తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. దేర్ ఆస్కింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ వాట్ అన్నా? స్మాలెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ నా. స్మాలెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 36 నా. ఆప్షన్స్ 36. If I'm going to take smallest even number is 36. This is if this is 42, sum should be 83 na. Sum should be 69. 60 and the remaining should be 20. If this is 27, this is 29, this is Dana, average is 39 na. Middle two numbers average will be the average na. So 439 times 156. 150. So here average is 29 na. 329 times 87. Difference is 83 na. Is it possible? Yes na. Difference is 83. Ever yes na devar na? If you subtract 87 from 156, you will get 83? No. Therefore your answer is not 36. Your answer is not. Next list number is what na? 38. నన్ను మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది నన్ను ఇందాక? 156 మైనస్ 87 అంటే ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చిందన్నా? 13 ఒక 56 69 నా. 60 కానీ మనకు కావాల్సింది ఎంత? 83. అంటే హౌ మచ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్? 14 నా. 14. No need to go for the next option. 14 less we got. And if you take how many numbers total? 7 numbers na. 7 numbers by 7 2. And if you take 2 answer more, that is enough. Your answer is 38. కొంతమంది x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8 దీన్ని ఏమనుకుంటారు మళ్ళా? x plus 1, x plus 3 సర్కస్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? లక్ ఉంటే అదే ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది, లక్ లేకపోతే ఇంకోటి అవుద్ది. అంతేనా? భయపడతామా? నెక్స్ట్ అన్న. ద పాపులేషన్ ఆఫ్ విలేజ్ బి వాస్ 2400 in 2020. It increases by 10% from 2021 and certain percent from 21-22. The village B 3036 in 2022. What was the percentage of increase in from 21 to 22? 2020 is how much na? 2400 na. Increases by how much? 10% na. 10% is nothing but 240 na. It become 2640 na. But it become finally it become 3036 na. Difference is how much? 396. ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. For 3000 this is 360 less. For 3000 this is 36 more. 360 plus 36 396. Are you clear నానా? నానా నేను ఎలా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నానో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. దట్ స్కిల్స్ వి నీడ్. నేను ఎలా చేశాను? 3036 2640 6 మూల 4తో అప్పు తెచ్చుకోవాలి. అప్పు తెచ్చుకోండి. నాట్ దిస్ వన్. ఇలా చేస్తున్నాం మనం. ఫర్ 3000 దిస్ ఈస్ 360 లెస్. ఫర్ 3000 దిస్ ఈస్ 36 మోర్. 36 ప్లస్ 360 396. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? నానా 396 ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ 264? 10% ఈజ్ 264 నా. 5% ఈజ్ 132 నా. 132 ప్లస్ 264 396 నా. యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఏది లేదు కాబట్టి ఇంకా 5th ఆప్షన్ ఏంటిది? నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు. అది మిగిలింది అదే ఏంటిది? 15 ఉందా? ఇంక అదే అవుద్ది. ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? A can finish a work in 63 days. He worked for 28 days and then replaced with B. If B could finish 1/3 of the remaining work in 10 days na. Nana 1/3 of the remaining work in 10 days is nothing but, so remaining work, total remaining work is 30 days na. 1/3 is nothing but 1 part in 10 days. Then remaining work is 3 parts na. 3 parts in 30 days na. Now look at here. A alone complete the whole work in 63 days. He worked for 28 days work completed na. Remaining work is how much? Remaining work 35. That 35 done by B in how many days? 30 days na. 30 days na. Now 63 units is the total work na. Then total work B completed how many days? So look at here na. Look at here. 7. 7 9s are. 7 5s are. 5 6 are. 9 6 are. 9 6 are. B alone will finish the work in 54 days. Nana, 1/3 anedi only remaining work. 1/3 work in 10 days nothing but complete work in 30 days. Remaining work in 30 days. A's 35 days work is nothing but B's 30 days work. Then A's 63 days work is nothing but B's how many days work? 54 days work. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. Are you ready? Number of laptops purchased, number of desktops purchased. Now A, B, C, D, E. Laptops, desktops total if it is required. Laptops, desktops if it is required total. Are you ready? So tell me the values, Nana. First one it is laptops. Cheppandi. 50, 54, 60, 62. Next to 80. Next to 70, 72. Next to 50. Next to 80. Next to 60. Next to 40. Next to 30. Next to first question. Are you ready? First question. What is the respective ratio between the total number of laptops and desktops together purchased by shop D? Together is how much, Anna? 144. And the 144. No, 144 na. 144 is not 14 multiple na. 144 is not 14 multiple na. 144 is not 15 multiple. But 12 multiple, 9 multiple. Two options are there. If one option is there, that is your answer. Don't worry. Total number of laptops and desktops together is shop E na. Shop E is 80. So how many times na? 12 12s are 12, 7s are. 12 is to 7. Anna, shall I go for the next question? What is the difference between the total number of laptops purchased by shop A and B together and the total number of desktops purchased by same shops together? Difference between the total number of laptops purchased by AB. AB laptops is 116. 11. Next to desktops purchased 140. 140. Difference is 26. Out of the total number of laptops purchased by shop C, total it is what? 122. So 2/3 were out of the total number of laptop, only laptops na, not total, only laptops. 2/3 are brand X na. 2/3 is nothing but 48 na. 48 is brand X. 2/3 of 972. Next, what is the number of laptops purchased by shop C which were brand X? That one only they're asking na. Yedo malla build up ichundu. Next na. If shop A purchased each desktop for 48,000, shop A purchased each desktop for 48,000. Shop A. Desktops are how many? 60 na? What was the total amount paid by the shop for purchasing the given number of desktops in terms of lakhs? And 48 into 6. 48 into 6. 40 times 240. 6 8 just 48. 48 plus 240. 288. Your answer is 288. Zeros to manaki em pani? Yes or no? Are you ready? Next one. The number of desktops purchased by D is what percentage more than the desktops purchased by C? Compared with C na? 50 na? They compared with D na? D is how many more? 14 more. Into? So 14 how many times na? 14 2s are 28 na? 50 2s are 14 2s are. Our answer is 28%. So question number 46. 50% of the desktops purchased by shop E were sold by shop E at 20% profit, and the remaining desktops at 40% profit. The total selling price of all the desktops sold by E was 7,02,000. What was the cost price of each at which shop E purchased one desktop? So just observe carefully here na. 50% half na. Total desktops are how many here? 18 na? 18. So for example, each desktop is 100 rupees. Then 18 desktops is what? 18. They sold at 20% profit na. 20% is nothing but 360 na. 360 plus 1800, 2160 na. Are you clear na? Next, remaining 1800 na, at 40% profit na, 40% is nothing but 720 na, 720 plus 1800, 2520 na, 25. This is the total selling price na, according to our assumption, according to our 100 assumption. How much na? 4680 na, 4680. But according to our problem, 702,000. But according to 100 is how much? How many times na? It goes to how many times? 44. Forget about zeros na. 7020 na. 7020. This is 46,680. It's not possible to go for 2 times na. 2 times 46. 2 times is nothing but 92 na. Yes or not? 46 ones are 46. Remainder will be 24. 24 is nothing but how much na? Almost half of that one na. Yes or not? But less than a half na. Less than half na. And it goes exactly 145 times. So your answer is what? 14,500. Less than 15 times na. Less than 15 times. Are you clear na? So less than 15 times, which option is there? Exactly 15 times పోతుందా? 15 times అంటే ఎంత వస్తుందన్నా? వెయిట్ 4680. 5 times అంటే హాఫ్ కదా? 2340. 02407. ఎస్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 15 times పోతుంది. 15 times అంటే 150 times కదా? 150 times of 100. 150 times of 100. So your answer is what na? 15,000. Options are very closer. So your answer is 15,000. Exactly 150 times పోతుంది. Next question number 47 na. 1440 was earned as a simple interest when a certain sum was invested for 3 years in a scheme offering simple interest 12% per annum. What would be the amount received by the same sum is invested for 2 years scheme offering compound interest at 10% per annum? They're asking what would be the amount na? 2 years compound interest na? 10% na? 10%, 10%, 1% na? 21% na? Interest is 21% na? Amount should be 121%. So we need to calculate 121%. Now 1 year rate of interest is 12% na? 3 years is 36%. 36% is what? 1440. Then 121 it is how much? Look at here na. 36 2s are 72. 72 2s are 144. Exactly 40 times na. So 40 times of this one na. 48. Your answer is 4840. Simple interest is nothing but directly. Are you clear, Nana? Are you understood or not? Shall I go for the next question? They given what? Caselet na? Caselet only na? Now, Park A, Park B, and they given both. Male, female. So if you fill this data, the questions are very easy for you. So read the data. The total number of females who visited either or both parks is equal to the male who visited either or both of the parks. And that meaning of the statement is what? The total number of males is equal to total number of females. Males is equal to females. Total number of males is equal to total number of females. Next one, the number of males who visited both the parks is 50% more than the number of females who visited both the parks. The number of females who visited only Park B was 4 times the number of females who visited both the parks. The number of males who visited only Park A was 4 times the number of males who visited both the parks. The number of females who visited only Park A was 36. This is the keyword. The number of females who visited only Park A was females na? Only Park A na? 36. And the number of males who visited only Park B was 16. Last two statements are completed. Clear, Nana? Next statement. The number of males who visited only Park A was 4 times the number of males who visited both. Males, na? Yes or not? Both is one part. Both is one part. Say for example, 1x, x. This is x, this is 4x. Next one. The number of females who visited only Park B was 4 times the number of females who visited both. Say for example, this is y, this is 4y. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. The number of males who visited both the parks is 50% more than the number of females who visited both the parks. And males are 50% more, na? Males are 50% more, na? Therefore, females are 2 parts, say for example. Then males are 3 parts, 50% more, na? The number of males who visited both the parks is 50% more than the number of females who visited both the parks. Sir, why you are assuming 2 parts, sir? 50% na? 1 by 2 na? Denominator should be the assumption, na? If this is 2 parts, the males are 3 parts, na? Clear, na? Now I am going to change the values. See here, this is 2 parts. I am going to take this is 2x. Then it automatically this is 3x. If this is 3x, this is 4 times, na? 12x. If this is 2x, this is 4 times, na? All variables I am going to convert into one variable. Are you clear, Nana? Now all statements are completed, na? Now they given total males is equal to total females, na? Yes or na? Now total males, tell me, 12x to 3x. 15 x plus 16 is equal to total females, 36 plus 10x. Total males is equal to total females, na? 5x, na? Difference. 5x is equal to 20. Then x is equal to, if x is equal to 4, then we can know all remaining values, na? Tell me, x is equal to 4, this is what? 12. This is what? Now we know all the values, na? So once you predict this diagram, the questions are very easy for you or not? So just copy this one, na? I will give the questions. Shall I go for the questions? No, especially while solving this type of caselets, there is no rule to start from first line. Wherever the keywords are there, have to start from there only. Here they given in last line, 2 lines the keywords are there. Yes or no? It's no need to try for the from the first line. Shall I go for the first question? Tell me what is the answer by using this data? What is the answer? Huh? What is the difference between number of males who visited only Park B? Only Park B is what? 16. And number of females who visited only Park B? 32. Difference is which option? Fifth option. Next. What is the number of people, male plus female, who visited Park A? Male plus female who visited Park A? 48, 36? 80? 84 plus here 20, both also there na? Together is 104. Both also they visited Park na? Park A na? Are clear na? Only A and both. Total number of males who visited both the parks is approximately what percent the total number of males who visited both the parks? దాని క్వశ్చన్ అనేది రెండు కూడా సేమే ఇచ్చిండు, అదేదో క్లారిటీ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? అందుకని మనం ఇచ్చిందే చేయలేం కదా డైరెక్ట్గా. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ హూ విజిటెడ్ ఎయిదర్ ఆర్ బోత్ ద పార్క్స్? అంటే టోటల్, దేర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్. టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ నా వీ ఆల్రెడీ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ దీస్ టూ వాల్యూస్ నా. 104 నా, 104 ప్లస్ 48, 152. సో టోటల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 152. ఎయిదర్ ఏ ఆర్ బి ఆర్ బోత్, మేల్ ప్లస్ ఫీమేల్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? దాని మీనింగ్ ఎయిదర్ ఆర్ బోత్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎయిదర్ ఏ ఆర్ బి ఆర్ బోత్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 52. The average of a series of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. Na 4 numbers is nothing but there is no middle number na, but middle 2 numbers is average na. If this is 27, this should be, this should be, this should be, this should be. Now another series is there. The lowest of the number of another series of 3 consecutive odd numbers is, lowest of odd number is this one only na. If the lowest number of another series of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 9 more than the highest number of series 1. Highest number of series 1 is 30 na. This is 30. Next one it is. Next one it is. They are asking sum of S2 series na. Average is 41 na. Average into number of terms is nothing but sum na. So no need to go for 39 plus 41 plus 43. Average is 41. Average into number of terms is nothing but sum. Are you clear nana? Shall I go for the next question? Quadratic equations na. Question number 53. Four 9 jars 36. 36 and 6 6 na. Minus 6 by 4. Minus 6 by and minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. 2 1 na. 2 2 1. So 2 by 1, sorry 2 by 2, 1 by 2. Minus na, minus 1 comma, minus 0.5 na, and these two are greater than these two na. So your answer is x less than y. X less than y. Now see the next one. 316 times 48. 8 to 6 na. 8 to minus 8 minus 6 na. It got divided with 2. No need to divide because in both the scenarios see 3. 3 24 times 324 times 18 4 na 18 minus 18 minus 4 is greater than these two na, all of it clear na, but minus 6 is greater than this one na, so what happened? No relation. 2 tens are 20 5 by 3 2, this is 2, this is 2.5. now 2.5 is greater than 2 na, but 3 is greater than 2 na, answer no relation. So 2.5 is greater than 2, but 3 is greater than 2. So one time greater, one time lesser. Answer is not possible. Next one. 5 3 na? 5 3. 12 5 is 16 na? 15 4 na? 15 by 12. 4 by 12 and 1 by 3 na? This is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 na? And this is approximately equal to 1 or less than 1 na? But these two are always more na? Your answer is x greater than y. X square is equal to 16 na? X is equal to plus or minus? Y square is equal to 49 na? Plus or minus? Answer. Whenever we got this type of situation, answer no relation. Okay, no need to go for the answer. Definitely plus or minus will get. Okay, Nana? Question number? This one 58 only na? Now 2 5s are minus 10 na? Minus 9. What are the possibilities? 10 to 1 na? Yes, but minus 10 plus 1. It comes outside plus 10 minus 1 by 2. 5 comma 0.5. Next 4 to 1 na? 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Minus na? This is minus 0.5 na? Are you clear na? But minus 0.5 is always greater na? But minus 0.5 is equal. X is always greater, but sometimes equal. Your answer is x greater than or equal to y. Five is always greater. Minus 0.5 is equal. Shall I go for the next question? So what would be the sum of the area of two semicircle, each of maximum size and of equal area, such both do not overlap? Both do not overlap. That can drawn inside a square of perimeter 56. And a square is there. Perimeter is 56. Then each side is 14. 4a is equal to 56. A is equal to 14. In this one, two semicircles we are going to draw. Both are not in overlapping, but maximum semicircles. All of it clear, na? Like this only possible, na? Those two semicircles are also equal. Then semicircle diameter is nothing but side of a square na. Therefore radius of a semicircle is 7. Two semicircles is nothing but one circle na. Yes or not? Circle area pi r square na. Pi into r square 49. R is 7 na. Malla semicircle formula rasi plus two semicircles అని రాసి semicircle only na. ఒక circle radius is 7. Diameter is 14, but circle radius is 7. Are you clear, Nana? Question number 66 onwards, they given data interpretation. Vendors ABCD. So tell me, apples, monsoon season, summer season. In summer season, apples, oranges. Apples, monsoon season. And summer season, apples, oranges. So tell me first, this is known data only na. 300, 400, 420, 440. Next one also known data only na. 200, 300, 240, 250. Now see here. Quantity of oranges, 3 times the quantity of apples sold in summer season. So how much rana? 3 times ante 600. Next 50% of the quantity of apples sold in summer season. Enta rana? 150. Next rana? %25% less than the quantity of apples sold in summer season. 25% less is nothing but 20%, 25% 1/4 na, 60 less na, 180. Equal to the quantity of apples sold in monsoon. So once you fill this table, questions are very easy for you. Okay, Nana? First question. What is the total quantity of fruits, apple plus oranges, sold by vendors B and D in both the seasons together? Vendors B, D, apples, oranges, మొత్తం కూడా కావాలి. BE, DE, total. BE, మాన్సూన్ సీజన్, సమ్మర్ సీజన్ మొత్తం కూడా. సో B total చెప్పండి అన్న. B total 850. B total it is 850. 440, 250, 690, 730, 1130. Are you clear, Nana? 690 na, 690, 400, 1090 plus 40, 1130. Together na 1980. Shall I go for the next question? See the next question, Nana. Vendor D sold 1 kg of oranges and 1 kg of apple at 20 rupees and 30 rupees respectively. Vendor D. Okay, Nana? In summer season. 1 kg apple is how much? 20 rupees. 1 kg oranges is what? Oranges 20, apples 30. The total money received by vendor D by selling all the fruits in both the seasons together is 38,300. What is the selling price of 1 kg apple sold by D in monsoon season? Okay. First of all, D. Apples are how many kgs? 250 na. Each apple is what? 30 rupees na. Then together is 7,500. Orange, each orange is what? 20. That is nothing but 828200. 8800 7500. Together 16,000. 16,000. But together you are getting 38,300 na. Remaining will be what? మాన్సూన్ సీజన్ వాళ్ళే నేను కాదనట్లేదు. రిమైనింగ్ 22,000. బట్ హౌ మెనీ యాపిల్స్ యు ఆర్ సెల్లింగ్ ఇన్ 20? ఇది 440. 0 గెట్ క్యాన్సల్ నా. 44 హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ నా? 5 టైమ్స్ నా. దేర్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ కేజీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ మాన్సూన్ సీజన్ 1 kg యాపిల్స్ ఈజ్ 50 రూపీస్. ఇన్ సమ్మర్ సీజన్ 30 రూపీస్. మీకు ఎప్పుడు కావాలంటే అప్పుడు కొనుక్కోండి. ఆర్ క్లియర్ నానా? జనరల్ సమ్మర్ సీజన్లోనే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఏదో సమ్మర్ అట్టించింది కానీ క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ ఇచ్చాడు సార్. మా ఊర్లో సమ్మర్ సీజన్లో యాపిల్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి సార్, క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ ఇచ్చిండు అని చెప్పి నువ్వు ఆ రోజు యుద్ధం చేయకూడదు, గమ్ము చేయాలంతే. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, వాట్ వాజ్ ద రెస్పెక్టివ్ రేషియో బిట్వీన్ ద క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ ఆరెంజెస్ సోల్డ్ ఇన్ వెండర్స్ AB టుగెదర్ అండ్ టోటల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ యాపిల్స్ సోల్డ్ ఇన్ సమ్మర్ సీజన్ బై వెండర్స్ B and C టుగెదర్? First of all, oranges AB together. Nana, oranges AB together is how much, Nana? 750 na? Yes or not? 750 is to summer season B and C apples. B and C is what? 540. 0 get cancel na? 325 times 3 18 times. 25 is to 18. What was the average quantity of oranges sold by which companies, Nana? A, C. 780 na, 390 na, 780 by 2. Total quantity of apples sold in monsoon by vendor AB together is approximately monsoon apples A and B. A and B monsoon is 700 na. Is what percentage more than the total quantities of apples sold by summer by vendor CD? Nana CD is how much? 490. 700 is how much more than nana? 490. 210 na. All of you clear nana? 700 is how much more than 490? 210 na. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు నాన్న. 210 is what percentage of 490? నాన్న 40% how much? 196 na. 40% is 196 na. Our answer is more than 40, very closer to 40. సమ్ము చేయకూడదు. క్లియర్ నాన్న? What is the difference between the maximum quantity of fruits, apples plus oranges sold in both the seasons together and by any vendor, and the minimum both the seasons together by any vendor? So maximum minimum difference we already calculated these two na. A is how much na? 900, 1100. Here 660, 740, 840. All of you clear nana? They're asking maximum and maximum where, minimum where, difference na? 130 plus 160. Your answer is 290. Maximum and minimum apples, oranges, summer season, winter season, not winter season, monsoon season. By which vendor? Okay na? Maximum to minimum difference. Are you ready? 10 men working together can do a piece of work in 24 days na. If one woman takes 20% is more time than one man take. Nana, just look at here all of you. Times ratio they given na. Man efficiency, first time. One woman takes 20% more. And a man takes 100, women take 20% more. That is nothing but. And the times are in the ratio 6:5 na. Then efficiencies are in the ratio. Women efficiency is 5, man efficiency is 6 na. Are you clear na? Now, how many days would 15 women take to complete the given task? So look at it. So total task is how much? 10 men na. Each man efficiency is 6 na. How many days? This is the total work na. This is the total work na. This much work. 18 women, how many days? 18 women na. One woman efficiency is 6 3s are na. 3 8s are na. 80 by 5 na. 80 by 5 is how much? And then tick కొట్టే అక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ అది చూసేని చెప్పండి. Are you clear nana? I already told na, number of days and efficiency are always inversely proportional to each other na. Are you clear nana? Times ratio they given, I convert it into efficiency ratio. Out of the monthly salary, Ram invests 30% in mutual funds. From the remaining, he spends 50% towards household expenses and saves the remaining 10,500. Ram's salary is 25% less than the Sam's salary. What was the Sam's monthly salary? Dash. First, Ram. Tells the Ram salary? Enduku teliyadu 100 rupees. 30% is na? 30% is nothing but what? 70. Out of the remaining 50% is na? 50% is nothing but 35 na? Remainder will be 35. That 35 is nothing but 10,500 na. How many times? Not 5 times, 3 times. 300 times. 35 5 times, not 105. 35 3 times 105. 33 is 90. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 90, 105. Exactly 3 times. 300 times. 300 times of 100. 30,000. Ram salary is 30,000. Nana, Ram salary is 25% less than Sam. Sham is 4 parts. Ram is 3 parts. 3 parts is 30,000. 4 parts is 40,000. Nana, 25% less na. 25% 1 by 4 na. 4 parts is Sham salary. 3 parts is Ram salary. Ram salary is 30,000. 3 parts 30,000. 4 parts 40,000. Your answer is 40,000. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? మళ్ళా 25% అంటే శ్యామ్ శాలరీని 100 అనుకొని 25% లెస్ 75 అనుకొని సర్కస్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకేనా? షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? చివరి వరకు సమ్ చేయకూడదు నాన్న. I said so many times, don't solve the sum till the end. So we need to predict the answer before calculating something. The prediction we need, the calculation prediction we need. చివరి దాకా చేసి 40,000 వస్తని నువ్వు చెప్పేది అని అందరు చెప్తారు. దెర్ ఇస్ నో స్పెషల్ ఇన్ దట్ వన్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, జార్ ఏ కంటైన్స్ ఏ మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ milk and water in the respective ratio of 8:1. So when 18 liters of mixture is taken out and 4 liters of pure water is added to jar A, the resultant quantity of milk becomes 24 liters more than the water. What was the initial quantity of milk in the jar A? Underline initial quantity of milk in jar A. Initial quantity of milk in jar A is 8 parts na. Our answer should be 8 multiple na. Our answer should be 8 multiple na. And your answer is 48 or 64. Try with one. If it is satisfied, that is your answer. If it is not satisfied, other one is your answer. Start with 48. 8 parts is 48. Then one part is together is 54 na. How many you are withdrawing? 18 liters. Remaining is 36. That is the 8:1 na. 8 parts 32 na. 1 part 4 na. This is milk na. This is water na. Now 4 liters of water is added. Next to antena? This is 8. This is now milk is 24 more than water na. Milk is 24 more than water na. Satisfied na? If it is not satisfied, sir. Very good. Very good. Shall I go for the next question? సార్ మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అడగొచ్చు సార్ నన్ను. సార్ మీరేమన్నారు సార్ అంటే, ఇఫ్ 8 multiples are only 2 options సార్. ఇఫ్ 8 multiples are only 2 options సార్. ఒకటి కాకపోతే ఇంకోటి అంటున్నారు సార్. ఇఫ్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ 8 multiples సార్, దెన్ ఒకటి కాకపోతే ఇంకోటి 4 ఉంటాయి కదా సార్. ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ వాట్ ఈస్ మై ఆన్సర్ సార్? ఎస్ ఎస్ వస్తాయి, సమ్ టైమ్స్ పాసిబుల్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్ అన్నా? ఎవ్రీ టైం మీకు లక్ ఉండదు. ప్రతిరోజు ఉంటుంది లక్కు ఉండదు. ఎగ్జామ్లో పొరపాటున కూడా ఉండదు మీకు. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అదే దట్ ఈస్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ నానా, మీకు ఉండదు. మరి సార్ అన్నీ ఉన్నప్పుడు మేము ఏం చేయాలి సార్? నో ప్రాబ్లం. 48 తీసుకున్నా కదా నాన్న. 48 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు నాకు ఎంత అయితే ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 24 వచ్చింది కదా. హియర్ ఆల్సో 24 నా. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ విల్ గెట్ సంథింగ్ నా, సంథింగ్ దాన్ 24 నా. అకార్డింగ్ టు 48 దిస్ మచ్ ఐ గాట్. అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ ప్రాబ్లం దిస్ మచ్ ఐ నీడ్. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్? దట్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్. నేను తీసుకున్న అజంప్షన్ ప్రకారం ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది కదా. అకార్డింగ్ టు మై అజంప్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ దిస్ మచ్. అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ ప్రాబ్లం వీ నీడ్ దిస్ మచ్. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్? దట్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. భయపడతామా వడిస్తే? ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అదే పొరపాటున కూడా. నెక్స్ట్ అన్నా, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ వాట్? 75. 5 years hence anta. Okay. The respective ratio between the ages of Ram and Shyam at that time will be 5:8. 8 years hence, the sum of their ages will be 71. Nana, look at here, Nana. 5 years hence, 8 years hence, Nana. Difference is 3 years hence. Nana, 3 years hence ante for Ram 3 years added, for Shyam 3 years added. Total 6 years added. Remove 6 from 71. Remove 6 from 71. Therefore 13 parts is 65 na. Each part is 5 na. They are asking Shyam na. Shyam is second person na. 40 na. But 40 is not your answer. They are asking Shyam's present age. This 40 is 5 years hence. ఒక్కోసారి ఆప్షన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 40 ఉంటుంది. ఇంకా మన వాళ్ళు రెచ్చిపోతారు ఇంకా. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? నన్ను వై ఆమ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ 5 నానా? దిస్ ఈజ్ 5 years hence. అందుకని ప్రీవియస్లో వై ఆమ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ 6. 8 years hence, 5 years hence. Difference is 3 years. 1 person 3 years, 2 person 6 years. If you subtract 6 years from 71, 65 is the sum of Ram and Shyam 5 years hence. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. Train A, train B 16 seconds to cross each other while traveling in opposite direction. If the sum of their speeds is 25 meters per second, train B 60 meters shorter than the train A. What is the length of train A is dash? Now we know very well, whenever train A is crossing train B, so distance is nothing but length of train A plus length of train B na? Length of train A plus length of train B na? Very good. Distance is nothing but speed into time na? Sum of their speeds is 25 na? Relative speed they given directly. Mana pani easy chesindu. 16 seconds na? 16 25 times is how much? ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు 400. 16 16 పావులాలు 4 రూపాయలే కదనా మరి 400. Now look at here. So train B is 60 meters shorter than train A. Train A is x. Train B is what? 60 meters shorter. And x minus 60 na? So together is this 400 comes to this side 460 na? 2x is equal to 460 na? X is equal to, they are asking train A length. Train A length is x. So 2 trains length is 400. Train B is 60 meters shorter than train A. 2x is equal to 460, x is equal to 230. A and B started a business with initial investments in the ratio 3:1. A, how many parts investment nana? B, C's investment we don't know na? I assume some I. Expense after the start of the business A left to. And A is there in the business for X months na? And C joined. And C is there in the business for 12 minus X months na? Are you clear nana? And they didn't ask about B na? Therefore B is there for 12 months. If A, B, C received an equal share is nothing but 1:1:1 na? Clear na? Now listen nana, now listen. So we know B 12 parts na? One part is 12 parts na? Therefore here also 12 parts na? 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to if x is equal to 4, if you substitute here 8i na? 8i also is equal to 12 na? 8i is also is equal to 12 na? Then I is equal to 1.5. అసలు అవసరం మనకి ఏం కావాలి? Okay, no problem. C's initial investment was what percentage of A's investment? A's initial investment is 3 parts na? C's initial investment is 1.5. Exactly how much percentage? 1.5 is 50% of 3 or not? Your answer is 50%. In place of x, if we keep 4, 8i is equal to 12. I is equal to 1.5. Shall I go for the next question? Clear, Nana? In 2018, the population of village was 2,800. The number of males was 720 more than the number of females. If in 2019, number of males is reduced by 40%, number of females is increased by 20% as compared to 2018, what was the population of village in 2019? Now total it is 2,800 na? Males was 720 more than females na? Cut that 720 from 2,800. Remainder is 2,080 na? Take half of 1,040. Yes or not? So who 720 is males more na? Add that 720 to this one. Therefore males are 1760. Females are males to females. Males is increased by males is reduced by 40%. 4 into 176 na? 4 into 176 na? 4 175 times is how much? 700. 175, 350, 700. 4 ones are 4 na? 704 na? And if you subtract 704, remainder will be 1,000. Next, females are increased by 20% is nothing but 208 na. Together is 1200 and they are asking total na. Total na. So 2304. So 2019 population. Shall I go for the next question? A trader earned a profit of 140% on selling an item at a discount of 100 rupees. Had no discount on profit. 222% had been earned. What was item A cost price? 140, 220. Difference is how much? 140% profit, 220% profit. Difference is 80%. That 80% is nothing but 100 na. 80% is nothing but due to that 100 rupees only na. 80% is 100, 100% is 125. 80% is how much, Rana? 100. 100% is how much? 24 hours, 25 hours, 425 times, 525 times. Sir, why you are taking 80, sir? 140%, 220% difference is 80% only na. That 80% is due to this 100 rupees discount only na. 80% is 100, 100% is 125. 100% is CP. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? The respective ratio between the boat A speed and the stream speed is 7:1. Boat A covers 84 kilometers in 7 hours. What is the distance covered in downstream in 5 hours? Nana, speed of the boat is what? 7 parts, na? Speed of the stream is 1 part, na? Yes or not? 84 kilometers in 7 hours is nothing but upstream, na? Upstream is nothing but B minus C, na? 84 in 7 hours is nothing but upstream speed is 12, na? Are you clear? B minus C and how many parts, na? B minus C is how many parts? 6 parts is 12, na? B plus C is how many parts, na? 8 parts, na? 8 into 2. Therefore, downstream speed is 16, na? They are asking downstream 5 hours, na? 1 hour 16, na? 1 hour 16, na? 5 hours? 5 hours. Your answer is 80. Thank you.